Technology should not be purchased reactively. It should be planned, deployed, tracked, and optimized over its entire life cycle. At Advance2000, we go far beyond procurement, managing your infrastructure from acquisition to replacement. Gain access to enterprise purchasing power with discounted fixed markup pricing and performance-aligned configurations correctly engineered for your company. Our engineers provide full deployment services, ensuring your systems are implemented the way you want it and aligned with industry best practices. Once deployed, every asset is tracked and managed through its full life cycle, including inventory, warranty status, proactive end-of-life alerts, and recommended replacement options. Proactive replacement planning ensures your environment remains modern and secure without surprises or budget emergencies. Structured lifecycle management reduces downtime, improves operational efficiency, and lowers total cost of ownership. We help ensure the technology you invest in remains a well-managed business asset throughout its life cycle, giving your organization clear visibility, proactive modernization guidance, and the ability to stay ahead of aging infrastructure before it impacts performance, security, or productivity. Advance2000. Modernize IT, build what's next.